Hello everyone. I am Angel Sharma from Kendra Vidyalaya Maho and my enthusiastic team members are Tanishka, Prachi, Sonali and Pratibha. We are excited to present our idea in the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. Our project title is Affordable Robotic Automation Tools for MSMEs. And our tagline is Smart Tools for Small Industries, Big Results. In India, many MSMEs still rely on complete manual labor, which causes slow production, higher errors, safety risk, and low profits. This makes it very difficult for them to compete with large automated industries. To solve this, we are proposing an idea of low cost, compact robots that can pick, place, sort, pack, and assist in quality check, helping workers by reducing heavy and risky tasks. Our idea includes easy to use controls, Hindi plus English voice guidance, smart safety sensors, and a support system. This idea can help MSMEs become faster, safer, more accurate, and more productive, making India's small industries future ready and globally competitive. Through this innovation, we want to empower MSMEs and contribute to Aatmanirbhar Bharat and the dream of Viksit Bharat 2047. I would like to end by small industries, smart automation towards a stronger India. Thank you so much.